Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, you are welcome. So in this video, I'll show you how I made this ready to consume soybean flour or soybean powder. So let's get at it. So the first thing you do is to get your raw soybean and pick out the dirt from it. You pick out the dirt from it, or you pick out the one that are not okay, and then you rinse it under running water so as to clean it of the dust from the market. Then after then you spread it on your tray, on your baking tray, on whatever you want to bake it with, and place it in your oven. So place it at 120 degrees C for 2 hours. It's okay, so that it's not going to get burnt. And this is what we have. You can see that it is dry. It is dry. Yeah, and it is ready to peel, just like the way you peel, you roast groundnuts. Now this way is going to be ready to be consumed after blending. Then after then you pour in your high power blender. So this is my blender, so you don't need to peel it, and if you want to peel it you can go ahead, but the peel also is a very good source of fiber. You can see how smooth and well blended the soybean is. So when you are baking your soybean, or when you are roasting your soybean, after 1 hour, make sure you check on it. So this is very smooth because I put my blender at a very high speed. So if you have watched till this moment, please don't forget to like this video and don't forget to also subscribe to my channel. So my soya powder is ready, or soybean flour, or soy milk powder. So after then you transfer into an airtight container, and it is advisable that you store it in your fridge or in your freezer. The soybean is very rich in nutrients. You can use it in your bakings, you can use it as your baby food, you can add it to your food, you can add it as a recipe in your baked goods. So thank you so much for watching. Will you be trying out this method? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you again in my next video. Bye bye.